Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Hall Kind of Girl. I have BoxyCharm of May 2019. If you guys do not know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you will get 5 to 6 full-size products for $21. So this month of May is Make Waves. So every single month you will get a cute little card and it will tell you the prices of the products, and it's usually over $100. So the first product that I'm so excited about is this Hollywood, California Glam Glow. This is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So I'm going to take this out. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. So this is how it looks when I took it out. It's like the little mermaid theme. It's so pretty. And there is actually 5 ounces in there. So this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser is manufactured for $28. So alone, just this product, you are getting a great deal. You're paying $21 for the whole entire box. And this to be $28 is so awesome. This is gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses your skin and dissolves makeup. So what else is awesome about this is it's vegan, soap, fragrance, and SLS and SLES free. So on the back, it just tells you the directions: wet your face and gently massage evenly in circular motion. It says use daily as desired. So it's good for all skin types. So I'm so excited. I will actually do a little review on this and I'll probably put it on my Instagram. So this next item, this is absolutely so beautiful. This is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. And the name of this is Cupid. You guys are going to see this and it's so beautiful. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to zoom in to show you guys. The packaging is so cute. Wait till you see how beautiful the eyeshadow is. So if you guys follow my channel, I always open things mostly from the bottom so I do not ruin the cute packaging that it comes in. Okay, so let's look at how beautiful this color is, just like this by itself before I swatch it. So pretty. Like absolutely beautiful. So we have like a lavender gold, and it's really hard to see. It's not really picking up, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right now. Okay, so I went ahead and just swatched it on my hand. It's absolutely so beautiful. So pretty. Look at that. It has gold, purple, lavender, just so beautiful. And just the color alone is like, it's so vibrant. I'm so excited that I got the Ciate Eye Luster, and let's see how much it is valued at. And you know what, guys? I'm so sorry. I just had to show you, even from far away, it is such a pretty color. So pretty. Okay, so this Ciate London Eye Luster, your new Ciate London's Eye Luster, will help you create a long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on full coverage, luster, or blended out with a sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. Again, you guys, look at how just amazing this color looks. So pretty. Even from far away, it's just so beautiful. Like diamonds. So beautiful. And the price on this is $22. So I would definitely pay $22 for this. It's such amazing, beautiful color. I'm so excited about this month, you guys. The stuff that they sent, wait till you see what is next. I am so excited. This is the Alomar Cosmetics Colorique Blush Trio. Look at the packaging. It's just absolutely amazing. Look at those deep blues, the navy, the light blue, and there is gold in there as well. And let's see the back. Okay, so the back just is, it says it weighs 8 grams, which is 0.28. And it is made in Miami, Florida. Or actually, I'm sorry, it is distributed by Alomar Cosmetics out of Miami, Florida, made in Taiwan. Wow, these colors are absolutely amazing, so beautiful. There is an actual, sorry, there is a mirror on the top, but the colors are so pretty. Now let's see how much this is going for. Okay, so the Alomar blush trio is $22, and it just says, get your blush on with this new Alomar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. It says, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This butterly smooth, high pigmented, completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of sun rays. So I'm so excited. So this first color is like a peach, so pretty, and I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit better. Sorry about that glare. And then we have like a pinker peach, which is really pretty. And then this one's more like a red, which is toasted. I really like the toasted one. The next item is the Steve Laurent, and this is called Posh. And it is a really pretty lip gloss, and I'm so excited about it. It is literally like the color I love. So I did go ahead and swatch it, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So it is such a pretty color. It's like a peach color. So pretty. I really love this color. It's like very dark and like a nude color. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so for that Steve Laurent lip gloss, 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. The Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize, hydrate your lips within just 1 swipe. So that is manufactured at $22. You know, I really think that this BoxyCharm is absolutely amazing, you guys. This month is really killing it. This is why I love these, you know, makeup boxes. You always get really cool stuff for a really cheap price. And we do have 2 more items, and I'm going to show you guys, but I did want to throw that in there. But I'm just so excited. For $21, every single one of these products are over $20. And we're getting such an amazing deal, guys. Such an amazing deal. So I'm so excited. I got these 2 Body Graphy awesome eyeshadow, and I believe this is an angled liner. So let's see what these are going for. So they're just plain black with silver. Okay, so the price on these, this is the Brush Duo. This is $17. The Body Graphy Brush Duo is perfect brush set for lining and creating a detailed eyeshadow looks. Use the angled liner brush for precise lining across the lid and brows. Use the flat shader brush brush for a precise and detailed application of shadows. So cool, you guys. I'm so excited. I love any kind of new brushes. I am always just constantly washing them, and I love just getting new ones. So we do have the flat shader, which you can see. And then this one, again, is the angled liner. I'm so excited about receiving those. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate and love you guys so much. All my subscribers, everybody who watches me, you guys mean so much to me. And just to let you guys know, I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And if you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button, because every single month I will be putting out videos just like this. And if you like these kind of videos, then please at least just give me a like, because it helps me circulate through the internet. I love you guys. I could literally talk all day. Uh-oh, the mermaid is falling. Sorry guys, I just knew it was the end of the video and I didn't want to stop recording. I just love doing YouTube. I love you guys, all your comments, all your support. I really do appreciate you guys. And just know, you cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself, the